We're doing the
Woodhouse.
Woodhouse Peak.
Fire hazard. Walk under it.
Fire hazard.
Surely not today.
Yeah, not after last night's
That's
storm. Everything here will be wet. Okay, so Woodhouse, 4 hours. And we're at an altitude of 2,438 meters. Well, that's what the peak is. Alright, so that looks like our day planned, eh?
Yep.
We're going to be in these mountains. Lekker rustplekkie. Eh? Enjoying your lekker rust. Eh?
Onwards.
Yeah, no rusting for us. Check out this overhang. Ooh. Hey? Yeah, it's all echoey. Phew. Hey. How's your fear of heights? That's beautiful, hey? Gee, look at that. Right. Alright, we've just landed on top of the Brandtweg Buttress, which is one of the main icons here in the Golden Gate National Park. And let me tell you, the view from the top is just as spectacular as the view from below. Take a look at that. Just pan it all the way around. Hey, 360-degree views. Gotta love it. Drakensberg. Gotta love it. We're not really sure if we've lost the trail or not, and it's not really a position you want to be in up here. So it's not too late to turn back. Just going to see if it's worth going for. Map and the signs say this way, but there's not really any kind of path to indicate that this is the way. Okay, Jill and I have just come back from getting horribly lost on this supposedly well-marked route. And to be fair, it is well marked. There's just one split that isn't obvious. So when you get to this sign, you're gonna go around this corner and there's gonna be some stairs going down and the path splitting to the right. Take the stairs. The right is not a happy place. It really is not a happy place. Okay, here it is. Here's the split I was telling you about. So there, where Jill's about to go, is the right way. That, which looks like a legitimate path, leads to your worst nightmare. Especially if you're scared of heights like me. Okay, so there we go. Here's Woodhouse. That's the trail we went. It's a way friendlier looking track than the other one. But most importantly, it's the right one. The other one is not the right one. We are very, very, very high. Yo! That's an edge I'm not amped to look over. I'm fairly certain of what I'll see, and that is certain death. Hey? I've had a look at that. Had a mild glimpse at certain death already once today. I think that's enough. Oh, we're at the top.
Thank you.
Woodhouse, whatever this is called. That last stretch is terrifying. Oh my gosh. I just saw a drop off the whole way down. I'm so stoked to be at the top. Look at that view, eh? And now that we're up here and it's just kind of flat going, it's so nice just to catch your breath and just take in this view. This absolutely beautiful view. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the ominous din of a storm on the way. So yeah, I don't know, hey, look at those clouds pulling in. We're not really in the best place for a storm right now. And that one's coming fast, so we might just be hightailing it out here. Yeah, no time to take in the views, I'm afraid. Unless we want to be the human lightning rod. Time to step down. We're on the descent. Just want to show you that massive cloud building up behind us. That is chasing us down the mountain right now. It's touch and go. I think I'd like to be a lot further down for my own comfort's sake. So yeah, let's get down here. Oh, you hear that? That's the sound of the inevitable, I'm afraid. That storm is closed in quick. We gotta hustle, but at the same time you gotta be a bit careful because it's a long way down if you get your footing wrong. Woo! Wow! Didn't think I was going to be in for an adrenaline rush of a hike when I left this morning, but here we go. That's the Drakensberg for you, right? We'll see you at the bottom.
It's hailing! It's actually a hailstorm. Look at that. Okay.
Woo! Nothing like a hailstorm to get you going. Oh wow, that is... And this path is just slippery as right now. Oh man. Look at how far we still have to go. Peeling lightning, hailstones, rain. Ah, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Woo! And just like that, as quick as it came, it's gone. Storm out of here. You can see it's nice blue skies. And that way, doom. Total doom. I feel very sorry for whoever has to deal with that next. I think it's like the amphitheater. Royal Natal. Oh, watch out guys. Storm's coming in hot. Hey, hail bullets coming at you. For those of you who don't really know me, I am extremely petrified of heights. I'm beyond scared of heights. I mean, put me in the ocean with nothing but my arms and legs and my sense of humor, and it doesn't matter how big the waves are, I'm fine. Like, I got that. Put me on the edge of a mountain trail with nothing to hang on to but dry grass and flower stalks, and I'm just putty. I'm absolute putty. Whew, look at this. Here's Jill. Man, whew, we're down. We're basically there. Thank goodness. That's an incredible view from the top. Can't deny that, but wow, there's some treacherous sections coming both up and down this mountain. It's quite a, yeah, if you've got scared of heights like me, it's quite nerve-wracking. But yeah, looks like we're down just in time. That was round 2 of that rain and thunderstorm, so there we go. You can see there, almost at the road. Woo! Very grateful to be down.